So here is the best and easy step on how you can play Battlefield 6 early access or beta. So it's very simple on how you can do that. First, what you need to do is just simply head over to twitch.com, and inside twitch.com, just go ahead and watch any streamer that's playing Battlefield 6. So here, as you can see, over here, it's this dude playing. What you need to do, first of all, it's important to be logged in into your Twitch account and make sure your Twitch account is also connected with your EA as well, because you'll see a pop-up of EA right over here. It'll giving free access to players who are, you know, watching other streamers play Battlefield 6. So let's say this streamer is playing and you join it in right over here, you'll see the option code. You just need to redeem the option, the code, and you'll get the code. After that, you need to go to ea.com and you need to go to redeeming section right over here. You have to press on redeem and it'll take a while, but after that, you have to put in the redeem code and you're good. But if you are on Xbox, PlayStation, or Switch, you have to do the Xbox method, which is just pressing on Xbox support. And right over here, it will tell you how you can redeem the code. Or if you're on PlayStation, you can do the same or even Switch. So it's very similar processes. So you can just put in the code. And this is simply it. I hope this video helped you out. I'll see you soon.